School Sing Nouna Hangbagi Matangda Sarkar na Stakeholder Singgi Suggestion Sing Koukhre Haukiba March 12 dagi COVID-19 gi lockdown na maram oiduna school sing suti matam sang na thaduna lairibasi phibam gi matung ina Nouna Hangbagi Matangda Sarkar gi maikai dagi tongan ba circle sing da lairiba stakeholder sing dagi lakliba June 10 ga mafan fawbagi manungda masa gi opinion feedback input idea suggestion na chingba Koukhre Sarkar na miyam dagi kauriba suggestion sing adu tongan ba focus area mari da yumpham oigadabani makhoi adudi educational institution sing ase hangdringai amasung hanglaba matungda sexil thorang lokhatpagi wafam school sing hangbagi matangda hena fava timeline revise tawraba academic calendar gi content sing School hangbaga mari lainaba atay ahenba issue matter amasung mari lainaba issue lairagana issue adu sarkar da khangalakpa asini sarkar na tang taba phirep ama laurakpa yanabag suggestion sing adu government amadi private school singi principal natraga head miyam na phajana masak khanglaba academician mahiroi gi mama mapa mahiroi singi lob NGO education gi lamda thabak tawriba mahiroi sing yauna stakeholder sing na email manipur.education.s@gmail.com gi kuthangda tharakadavani haina school education gi commissioner takhelambam ranjit ki charol amana miyam da khangalakli